In this section, we're going to show you contacts. Go to resources, click on contacts. Here it will show you all your contacts by last name, first name, company, email if they have any, work, business phone number, mobile phone, website. You can edit or you can add. It also has them in alphabetical order. You can select the letter and it will show up by letter. Here you can search them by name, by category, by status, by phone, and you can also display them in different, it will display here in this section how many you want to see per page. Now you can also export them to your Outlook. So let's try one. Okay, let's add a contact. It's very simple. Here you can select them by location. Let's enter one. Let's say John Doe. Title, let's say he's in insurance business, insurance broker. The company, control demo. Here you have the option to select it if it is a business person or a home. Address, so let's say the address is 1525 West Hollywood Boulevard, the city of Hollywood, California 90002. Here you got the option to enter more. This section will allow you to enter international addresses. It gives you more room to enter even the country where the person is from, or just an international address. So click on the less and it will go back to normal. Here put the phone number. As you notice, this is very simple, and if they have an extension, enter it here. You can put the home phone number as well, and their mobile phone number. If the person has an international number, you notice here at the bottom, by clicking this, it will give you ability to enter more numbers. Okay, it might not display them here, but all the numbers will be there for international numbers. You can also put a pager here, a fax number, very simple. And if you have any other number that you wanna track or you wanna keep in record, we can also keep this person's email. Let's say it is John Doe at mycontrol.us. Here, if they have a website, let's say their website is mycontrol.us. Okay, at this point we can add it, but if we want to be more specific, we can go in details and assign a category. Now let me go back a little bit. We said that John Doe, he's an insurance broker, but in today's market a lot of people, they wear different hats. Let's say John Doe, he also does other type of businesses. Okay, so what we do here, we select that he's a broker, but let's say he also does print shop, so we can select it by print shop. And let's say he's also an actor, and we don't see that category here. Okay, we can add a category by selecting other, and we add it. Very simple. Let's say he's in the movie industry, so we click movie. Okay, now we also want to track his birthday, just to have that data for future use. Let's say he was born April 2nd, 1956. Okay, and we have other options here that you can utilize. Okay, now here we have different options. We can share it with other employees just by leaving it in blank, or if we don't want to share it with none of the people or none of the users in the system, simply click private access, which means you will be the only one that can see this section. Now you can also have it as private access, or you can share it among other locations. Okay, just by selecting the location. If you leave it up to this level, all the people at that location can see it, but let's say you want to be more limited and you just want to share it with only one person. So what you do, you select the person that you want to share it with. If you don't want to share it at all, just mark it off and leave it private. If you want to share it among all the users and all the locations, just leave it in blank. Okay, it's very simple. Now we also have notes here. You can type any notes that you want. Well, let's create something here. This guy is good in insurance and uses a great management system. Okay, you make the note and you can click add from here, or you can go back here and just add it. The system will ask you here that if you are sure that you want to add this record. So at this point you decide to either cancel or click OK it, and it will save it. Now let's go back here with John Doe. As you notice, is here. We can look him back by typing John and do a search, and it will show up here. If you see it here, you want to access that customer, just select it here, and it will obviously the data is already moved, so you will see it here. Let's say you want to do a map quest. Okay, by clicking map, if the address exists, it will show it to you. As you notice here, it's telling you that he is located in this address here. You can also map quest it, satellize it. Okay, you can zoom in or zoom out, and the system will show you the exact location of this person. You can always exit by clicking on the minus. Okay, and it will go back to normal. Now let's go to details again. Here in details, as you notice, the system will show you in yellow the occupations that he has. For example, we notice he's in the movie industry. It says customer, broker, and also print shop. We can go back to the notes and we can continue either deleting or updating the notes or simply adding more notes. Once again, we have here a way of bolding the letters or change to italic or add links, that you want to insert into the notes, into the contact section. Let's go back to general. Here in general, we also have the email section. Okay, from here you can send an email to this customer just by clicking email. Okay, you will get this screen here. You can put a subject, let's say test. Well, here it tells you that you have to type at least 5 characters, so let's say test 1, and just start typing anything that you want to send to that person. Just scroll to the bottom and click send. The system will automatically send this email to this specific contact. I don't want to do it now because I don't want to be sending emails, so let's go back. Okay, here we also have the ability to connect to their websites without leaving this section. All you gotta do is click go, as we do it here, and it will immediately connect you to the website. Okay, you can close that website and it will get you back to contacts. Now we also have a feature. Let's say this person has multiple emails or multiple websites. What you can do here, just click on add and it will give you more options. If you want to add an email, a website, want to put them in Twitter or other options here available, simply select the one that you want to do and you can add it more. If you don't need to add them anymore, just click on minus and gets you back. If you did send an email, just go to activities and it will show you all the emails sent to this customer. So it's very simple. Okay, utilize it, add all your contacts, and like I said, you can always import into your Outlook. Now the big advantage of this system, having them here in the management system, is that you can access it from anywhere as long as you have internet access. So it's a very useful tool that you can utilize from anywhere, and you can access it from your wireless devices. So use contacts, and again, it's very simple. If you have any questions, you can always call us. Okay, so thank you for utilizing contacts.